Your heart feels broken, doesn't it? The pain, the loss, the emptiness, it's heavy. You wonder if anyone truly sees you, hears your cries. But even in your deepest despair, God is whispering, I am here. I see you. I will heal your heart. Even after hearing these words, the hurt may feel unbearable and the nights may feel long. But know this, the God who sees every tear, every sleepless night, every whispered prayer has not abandoned you. He is closer than your breath, stronger than your struggles, and He is working even in ways you cannot yet see. Every broken piece of your heart is precious to Him, and His Spirit is moving to heal it. Do not carry your pain alone. Lay it at His feet. Bring your fear, your regret, your sorrow, and let Him carry it. He will transform it into strength. He will breathe life into the places that have been shattered. Even in moments of despair, His peace can calm the storm within you. He whispers to your soul, you are loved. You are safe. You are held. The road to healing may be slow. Patience is required, but His timing is perfect. Do not rush or despair, for He is weaving your trials into a tapestry of glory. Your suffering is not meaningless. It is a path toward renewal, a way to draw you closer to Him, to experience His love more deeply than ever before. Even when others hurt you, even when the world overlooks you, God sees you. He understands your pain. He values your heart. He protects you and fills your life with His goodness. Do not let anger, bitterness, or resentment take root. Forgive, not for them, but for the freedom of your own soul. Let love, not resentment, guide your steps. Forgiveness is the pathway to true healing. Joy is returning, quietly at first, like sunlight on a cold morning. It will grow brighter, warmer, until it fills every corner of your soul. Trust Him, for He is restoring what was lost, turning mourning into dancing, sorrow into celebration. Your past does not define your future. His plans for you are good, plans to bring delight, hope, and life to your heart again. Healing begins in the heart, in surrender. Open yourself fully to Him. Let go of the fear that weighs you down. Let Him breathe life, hope, and courage into the broken places. Even in the darkness, His light shines. Even in despair, His presence anchors you. Do not cling to what you cannot control. Bring all your burdens to Him. Prayer is not just words. It is the doorway to His presence. Speak to Him honestly, without fear or shame. He listens to every whisper, every cry, and He responds. Even when healing feels slow, even when relief seems distant, trust in His perfect timing. He is behind the scenes, shaping your pain into triumph, weaving broken pieces into a masterpiece. Your heart is precious, far more than you realize. He guards it, protects it, and fills it with His love. Even when you feel alone, He is beside you. Even when fear and doubt try to take hold, His Spirit strengthens you. You are never truly alone. He walks with you in the shadows and stands with you in the light. The gift of forgiveness is powerful. By forgiving, you release chains that bind your soul. He has forgiven you fully, and in the same way, extend that grace to yourself and others. Let go of bitterness and anger, and embrace peace and love. Even now, restoration is coming. All things are being made new. Joy will rise within you. Peace will fill your heart. Your soul will be refreshed and your spirit renewed. The brokenness you carry is not permanent. God is mending, healing, and bringing beauty from ashes. Trust is the foundation of your healing. Do not lean on your own understanding. Lean on Him, for He sees the full picture, and His ways are higher than yours. Step forward in faith, even when the path seems uncertain. Courage rises when you place your trust in Him. His love is endless, unchanging, and limitless. Even when doubt creeps in, He remains faithful. Even when you stumble, His hand holds you. Open your heart to receive it fully. Let it wash over every empty, wounded, or fearful corner of your life. Do not fear the challenges you face. God has equipped you with a spirit of power, love, and sound mind. Your struggles do not define you. His power in you does. Stand firm, for you are stronger than you realize. Do not be overcome by darkness or despair, for His light shines brighter than any shadow. Even in the trials, find reasons to be grateful. Gratitude opens your heart to His blessings and allows His joy to flow into every part of your being. Thank Him for today, for life, for hope, and for His never-ending faithfulness. Old wounds will fade, and new strength will rise. Your heart will beat with courage, love, and peace once again. The Spirit of God within you will restore what has been broken. Step into the future He has prepared, bright, whole, and free. God is your healer, your refuge, your eternal love. He is working in ways you cannot see, repairing, renewing, and filling your heart with life and hope. Rejoice, for your heart is being made whole. Your spirit is being lifted. Your soul is being refreshed. Trust Him completely, for He has promised, I will heal your heart, I will restore your soul, and I will never leave you. Your heart will be healed. Your soul will find peace. Your spirit will soar. Let go of the past, release the pain, and embrace the new life He is giving you. Stand firm in faith, filled with hope, courage, and love, for the God who heals is with you, now, forever, and always. Remember this: God is always with you. He has seen your tears, He has heard your prayers, and He is working to heal your heart. Do not let fear or doubt take hold. Stand firm in His love. Your past does not define you. Your mistakes do not disqualify you, and your pain does not have the final word. God is greater than every struggle, stronger than every fear, and He will restore everything that was broken. Walk in faith, hold on to hope, and trust His timing. Keep your heart open, for His peace, His joy, and His love are waiting to fill every empty place within you. And always remember, you are never alone. God is your healer, your comforter, your guide, and your friend. Your heart will be whole, your spirit renewed, and your soul refreshed. Believe it, receive it, live it. The God who started this work, and you will see it through to completion. He will heal your heart. He will restore your joy. He will bring you peace. Go forward in His love, and let your life shine as a testimony of His faithfulness. Amen.